Good morning, students. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Surya Vidyaniketan. Class 4th, second term, second lesson, name, Our Water Resources. Water Resources of India. Water is essential for life. Uses of water. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, and cleaning. Plants need water to grow. Many plants and animals can live only in water. Our life depends on water. We need water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing, bathing, etc. Sources of water. Water is the most important natural resource on the earth. About 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. That is why Earth is called blue planet or watery planet. Earth is called blue planet or watery planet. There are many sources of water. Rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, tanks, wells. Sea water and ocean water. Sea water that is present in seas and oceans contains higher amount of salts. Rain is the chief sources of fresh water on the earth. Rain. It is the main sources of fresh water. Farmers depend upon rainwater for their crops. Fresh water, less amount of dissolved salt. Sea water. Most of the water on the earth is in the seas and oceans. However, this water is salty. We cannot use it. Sea water, more amount of dissolved salt. Fresh water uses of drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and agriculture. Sea water is unfit for drinking, cooking, washing and agriculture. What is irrigation? The supply of water to the agriculture land to grow crops, typically by means of channels, is called irrigation. Means of irrigation. There are different means of irrigation in India. Canals, wells, tanks and dams. Wells, canals, tanks. Now, first one. Irrigation through wells is suitable for small farms. Uttar Pradesh has the largest area under well irrigation. Wells are dug in the fields to use the underground water for irrigation. Canals. Canals are wide channels through which water from rivers or dams is diverted to the fields. Canals are man-made, so they are sometimes called artificial rivers. About 40% of total irrigation in India is done through canals. Tanks. In some part of India, it is difficult to dig wells or install tube wells because of rocky land. So, people collect rainwater in small natural or man-made pools called tanks. Tanks are the oldest mean of irrigation in India. Irrigation through tanks is common in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. See this picture. This is a sprinkler. In sprinkler irrigation, water from a pipe is sprayed into the air. It falls on plants like a rain. For this reason, development of irrigation system is necessary. Dams and multi-purpose projects. Walls built across river to hold back flow of water are called dams. To ensure regular supply of water to our canals, dams have been built across big rivers. Sometimes strong and high walls are built across a river to stop the water from flowing. They have special gates called the sluice gates to control the flow. Water is stored in a reservoir or artificial lakes thus formed behind the dams. Dams ensure an adequate supply of water by storing water in times of surplus and releasing it in times of scarcity, thus also preventing floods. Dams are also used to generate hydroelectricity, electricity generated from water. For this reason, development of irrigation system is necessary. There are many multi-purpose projects in India. Some of them are the Bhakra Nangal dams built on the Satluj River, one of the biggest dams in the world. The Damodar Valley project built on the Damodar River, biggest dam in India. The Nagarjun Sagar project on Krishna River. Some important multi-purpose projects of India are Bhakra Nangal project on Satluj River, Hirakud project on Mahanadi River, Nagarjun Sagar project on Krishna River, Mettur project on Kaveri River, Kosi project on Kosi River, Sardar Sarovar project on Narmada River. Thanks for watching.